Chernobyl, a nuclear disaster.
4,000 cases of thyroid cancer. Local residents received considerable doses of radiation through breathing of thyroid cancer. Local residents received considerable doses of radiation through breathing and consuming contaminated.
See a rapid change in the population numbers in the Ukraine area. Families being relocated, making many to leave their homes and to never to return. The numbers of organisms surrounding the area, from the treetops to those on the ground, all were impacted.
Okay, now, Cinnamon, tell me about what were the animals impacted by Chernobyl?
Well, Chernobyl impacted the bumblebee, butterflies, spiders, grasshoppers, and other invertebrates.
What role did humans play in this issue, would you say?
Well, it was a man-made plant to begin with, and only commercial plant to cause fatalities from radiation. It was a product of a severely flawed Soviet-era reactor design combined with human error. The accident, which resulted on April 26th of 1986, occurred when operators' actions in violation of the plant's technical specification. Operators ran the plant at very low power without adequate safety precautions, without properly coordinating or communicating the procedure with safety personnel.
What a shame.
I know! Like, who are these people? Come on!
And
Well, biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on Earth.
steam caused acid rain, only causing further contamination. Oh wait. Received large amounts of radioactive material and particles in the water. Steam caused acid
Harm ecosystems, we see the raising awareness from the community. To this day, many are still affected, and the only thing you can do to help is